The choice of business owners struggling to find skilled welders. The STR200 laser welder by STR. The STR200 ensures stable welding quality, boosting productivity and sustainability in welding operations. Many companies considering laser welding equipment see automated laser welding as an effective solution to the difficulties of maintaining productivity amid a domestic shortage of skilled welders and rising labor costs. As it becomes increasingly challenging to find skilled personnel, laser welding systems provide a reliable alternative by delivering consistent, high-quality welds, reducing labor costs, and enhancing productivity.